How to create Google account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create Google account, launch Google application on your phone. Tap profile icon at top right and you will land on this page where you need to simply tap on the arrow next to your existing account's name. Then you will see all the list of your account. So at bottom you will find add another account option. Tap on it. Now choose Google and verify it's you by using your fingerprint or biometrics. Now you will land on the sign in page. Tap create account. Select whether it's for your personal use or for your work or business. Now enter your name and tap next button. Enter your basic information like your birthday and gender, and once done select next. Now enter your username. You can use letters, numbers and full stop. Once you are done, select Next button. Now create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now tap Next button. Review your account info and tap Next button. Go through all this privacy and terms and select I agree. Now following all this process, you have successfully created Google account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.